Hi, welcome to Roy's RCTV's review of the 3rd annual Thames Valley Model Air Show. The show is organised by the Thames Valley Scale Aerotow, and with the likes of Al Mashinti Jr. running the flight line, you know you're going to be in for an incredible day's flying. Unfortunately, the weather gods weren't with us, and with winds forecast to reach gusts of 50 miles an hour and the ever-present threat of showers, the organisers stuck by their guns and the show went ahead as normal. So by 7 AM, a whole raft of traders began arriving and setting up their stalls along the long flight line. This also included static displays from Aldershot, Basingstoke and Fleet model aero clubs. As the morning progressed, the flight line began to bristle with more and more exotic examples of model aviation, large and small, all being prepped ready for flight. Basingstoke members George Worley of Formax and John Bristow of Deluxe Materials were also in attendance. Blackbushe is a commercial airport, and commercial flying continues right up to the start of the fly display. At 9:30 the pilot's briefing took place, and then we were all set for a day's flying. So I'll shut up now and let you enjoy some of the highlights.
Come from, and you can now believe it or not, that is a glider, and if you look very, very carefully at the two wings, you'll see the wings are flexing quite a long way in the turbine conditions we've got at the moment. We've got a cheapest turbine on board, equivalent of a 160. So, thank you very much, Ivan. Yeah, a different style of flight here, turbine. It's a G-Boost of 160, 100 turbine. The plane weighs 30 kilos. So you're going to see a style of flight here very different than the normal jet models, because this is all about energy management. Obviously the turbine hasn't got enough power to push this plane up vertically indefinitely, but all the way through the flight, the pilot is tracing speed and altitude, to the best example. The plane is a box made by the Paratech company. It's got a 7-metre wingspan, half scale. The full-size box was a fully aerobatic aeroplane, so chucking a glider around like this is perfectly within scale. Again, using the motor of powering back up again to push the glider back up in the air. Give it a little bit of power on this time to bring it back into wind in these turbulent conditions. And now you listen to the motor popping off. Coming back down to finish the square loop. 4-point roll. Again, the motor really just idling at the moment. Now I suspect the power will come back. See the air brake sticking out the top of the wing to create some drag. Obviously in glider configuration it's quite, just a bit of bumpy there. That's the guys from Aerotow, thank you very much.
We're on 100 at the moment, and with this wind it's coping with it quite nicely. He decided to have a little bit of a balance as he's going up. The object of the exercise is to keep the tow line between the glider and the tug pretty tight. In these weather conditions, of course, the glider wants to go up faster than the tug. And raise the climb angle of the tug slightly less than the climb angle of the glider, and it's 20 kilograms. The half scale goes down in the middle of the runway at the moment. If you watch it very, very carefully, you should see the glider come off the ground first as we're running with it. The left wing did touch the ground into the wind, which it should be. And there's two little wheels on each wingtip that actually stop the wings scratching onto the runway. So the JoJo weighs over 25 kilograms, the glider weighs over 25 kilograms. That's the 50 km weight going up on what is around about a 15 to 20 knot headwind. Chance of staying on the glider, and then you've got a bit of a problem with the aileron work. Steve Davis with the 808, so that's 808, now going up behind Ray, who's getting a bit of exercise this afternoon. Now you now see the line is tight, because it's a lot lighter glider, anyway it's about 14k, and somewhere around we've got a Marnik at about 100 feet, getting tossed around a little bit, and with the power of the DA100 on the front of the Red Bull, he's able to keep the line very tight. Left-hand side at the moment on a landing approach. Keeping the power on a bit. Now you can see the inertia. 60-degree bank turn. Come around, not down the wrong way, but into wind, which is 45 degrees across. Air brakes out, the line's underneath, the undercarriage is down. And it's with patient, very, very patient. There we are, an absolute perfect landing. Congratulations, John. Well done. Lovingly known as the runway.
Oh yeah. Have to listen to well, I
Three, 2, 1, go! And go! Whistling! They must.
You should have been watching, shouldn't you?
2 jet cats, 160. X-ray. Sorry about that, guys. I'm trying to have on World War II bombers. That's what Alice is. Get rid of those old bombers. On 1 turbine. And I know when it touches down, you're going to give him a good round of applause. There, come on, folks. 3-pointer there. Aerotow.
Well, I hope you enjoyed that, and of course no air display would be complete without the red arrows. So, until next year, goodbye.